If you've been running Ceramic Shield PPF, you already know it's Geoshield's flagship protective film. It delivers excellent levels of clarity, serious hydrophobic performance, and long-term durability. There was really only one desire from our customers for an improvement, and that was the tackier adhesive that allowed them to work faster without compromising quality. Well, we heard you, and now it's here. This is the next evolution of Ceramic Shield PPF. Same premium look, same elite protection, but now with a reformulated adhesive engineered for professional installers. The new Ceramic Shield formula means complex surfaces are easier to wrap than ever, and jobs are quicker to finish, allowing you to make more money. Ceramic Shield was already built to be the premium choice for PPF installers to give customers the best protection available, and now we're taking that same flagship performance customers expect while also ensuring we stay true to our mission of upgrading the installer experience. So if Ceramic Shield is already your go-to, get ready. And if you've been waiting for the moment to step into a premium film that performs and installs at the highest level, this is it. The new Ceramic Shield PPF is here.
Thanks for watching. Geoshield provides professional grade products empowering the installer community, rewarding experienced shops, and uplifting enthusiasts on their journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you don't miss future content covering everything Geoshield has to offer for professional film installers. Check the description below to follow us on all of our social medias and stay connected with Geoshield for all future updates. See you next time.